Row Zero makes it easy to remove duplicates from a big file or spreadsheet. To get started, I've opened a new workbook in Row Zero and will import a large CSV file. I can import directly from File, URL, or Amazon S3. I can also connect directly to my data source like Snowflake or Postgres if I want to. For this demo, I'll import from S3. And I can import a variety of file types like Parquet or .gz. I'm going to import this csv.gz file. And this is a 7.2 million row file of every flight in the US for 1 year. I can import this. Row Zero easily supports millions of rows on a free plan. It can even support billion row datasets on enterprise plans. You can see I have 7.2 million rows of data, and I want to remove duplicates, so I have one row for each airport. So I can select all my data and go to Data, Remove Duplicates. Next, I'll select the columns that I want to remove duplicates from. If I select multiple columns, it will only remove duplicate rows that have duplicate values in each of the columns selected. So let's do multiple columns first. Let me unselect this, and then I'm going to select origin and destination. And this is going to give me every unique route of a combination of origin and destination. If I look here, I now have 6,366. So see it removed 7 million rows there. And now let's say I want to just see unique departing airports. So I'm going to repeat the process, remove the duplicates. This time I'm just going to remove origin, and now you can see I have 359. Now let's look at a few more ways for showing and counting unique values. So let me just undo those remove duplicates, and okay, I'm back to 7.2 million rows. So let me select my data and insert a pivot table. Drop this on a new sheet. Pivot tables are another way to very quickly drill down to your unique values. So let me pull origin to rows, and you can see there's that 358 number. It's 358 plus the header, it's 359. And I can pull in destination. This is going to be the equivalent of my first remove duplicates that I originally did, which is the routes. And so you can see there's 6,000 or so rows here. These are the combinations of origin and destination, so all the direct routes that are flights across the US. And in addition to pivot tables, I can also use a couple of formulas. So there's a unique formula. If I select my range, this is a quick way to create a list of all of the unique values in a range. So you can see again here 359. Or I could change this to count unique, and it's going to give me the same thing, but it's going to count the total number of times each distinct value shows up in the range. So Atlanta had 390,000 flights departing out of Atlanta in the dataset. I can go back to my pivot table here and actually find that same data. So I can pull destination down to values and select count. This will give me the count of flights out of each airport. But if I want to know the unique destinations I can get to from a given airport, I can count unique on destinations, and this gives me the unique airports I can get to from a given airport. So as you can see, Row Zero makes it very easy to remove duplicates and filter down to unique values in a big spreadsheet. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.io and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.